Hi guys, welcome to What's Mama Cooking For Us. I'm Debbie, and today we are making burritos, baby. Okay, but before we start the burritos, I'm just gonna show you like what I've done and the ingredients and stuff. Okay, so first we got our burrito shells. They're floured burrito tortillas. You can use any kind you like. And I just got a couple out ready here for us. I got some refried beans, which are I just bought these traditional refried beans. I buy them all the time. They're my favorite, the Ortega. And I'm making some rice blend. It's white rice, brown rice, red, white, brown, Texmati, and red. And this is my taco meat. It's about a pound of taco meat, just with the taco seasoning, just like you would make. Follow the directions on the tacos. I made up a little salsa, which is just basically because I didn't really have the ingredients to make what I wanted to make, so I just threw together some tomatoes, some jalapenos, a little squeeze of lime, a little bit of salt and pepper, kind of like salsa or pico de gallo, but you can just throw whatever you want in there, or you could just use plain tomatoes and some onions just to put on top. And then I got a blend. It's a Fiesta blend. It has Monterey Jack, cheddar, let me see, the queso and asadero cheese, which I have trouble saying that. And then some pickled jalapenos, and I found these little ones that are already chopped up, so I love them. Okay, so, oh, and of course, shredded lettuce. Gotta have lettuce. Okay, and then this is how I do my refried beans. I just put them in a pan, which you can do on the stove or in a microwave. But I just put them in a pan, and I take some of my, let me back up here, some of these jalapenos. It just helps to docker them up, make them taste better. And you see it's hard to do this with one hand, and then a little juice even. And that helps loosen them up a little, and it helps give them a lot of flavor. So then we got to get some cheese. You can't really see what I'm doing. There we go. And then just give that a good mix and put it on the stove on like simmer. By the time you get done doing all this stuff, they're done. Or what I do is you can put them in a microwave bowl, do the same thing, put them in the microwave. And just keep giving them a stir, make them, soften up a little bit. You can do that, and I'll do that off camera. But I just wanted to show you that's how I do that. And it just makes them taste better and gives them some more flavor. Because I love flavor, and they need lots of flavor. Well, this is all flavor, but... Okay, so let's see. It's going to be hard to show you guys how to roll a burrito with one hand, but I'm going to try. Okay, so what we do is we just want to take a little bit of our taco meat. And like I said, this is just the taco meat. You make, hamburger. Or you could do this with chicken. You could do this with, whatever meat you want. Put it in there. And you could even put your refried beans in there and make it a mix of beef and beans or just beans. And then don't overfill them because, you overstuff them. Because we, get greedy and it's hard to roll them. But anyway, so you just take this side, put it up. Take this side, put it up. And then put this up. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. It's probably not going to come out too pretty, but just to give you the idea. And it's just basically rolling. And you don't even have to, so tuck these sides in. So, like a burrito. You know how to do that. Okay. But, or you could just, if you just don't feel like doing all that, you could just roll it like this, put it in the pan, and cook it the same way. I mean, there's no real big difference. But here I have one all done, because I'm putting these in the freezer. I'm going to put them in the fridge, have them for tomorrow, but I'm going to make up some too and put in the freezer. So, with the magic of television, well, I should say the magic of YouTube, I put my burrito and my refried beans in the oven. And so, like, what I'll do with them refried beans is put them in a Tupperware container And then when you go to cook them, just put them in this little ramekin. Either do it in the microwave or stick it right in the oven with your burrito. And then here's my burrito all made up. And then like 5 minutes before it was done, it took about 10 minutes to cook. But if they're coming from the fridge, they're going to take a little longer. If they're coming from the freezer, they're going to take longer. So try to take one out the night before. And you can do this right in the microwave too, but you're not going to get the crispiness. And then put some cheese on it. And then here's, ta-da, let's see if my rice worked for me. Ta-da, it did. Now, I don't usually use this rice. I usually use yellow rice. But I figured give it a shot. It's healthier. Okay, so now what I like to do is put some lettuce on top. Well, you could do it on the side too. Like some people decorate it all up real pretty on the side. Let's move this over a little bit. And then put some of this on. Make it look pretty. It's hard to do this stuff with one hand, but oh my god, it's so delicious. I'm gonna taste a bite. Take a bite, sorry. And then you could put a little dollop on the top. And of course, a couple of jalapenos to make it look pretty and to make it taste good. So you could do it like that, but what I do, so that would be nice and it'd be all nice and pretty. And then there's my thumbnail right there. Anyways, or what I like to do is just put mine right over top of my burrito and put all your toppings on. But yeah, you know, so this is so easy. And then you could just pull the burritos out of the fridge or the freezer, like I said. Put it in the oven. I usually wrap mine in tin foil. I'm out of saran wrap, but I usually wrap them in saran wrap, then the plastic bag. But then put them in tin foil and put them in the oven. But you don't have to. But I like to. It heats up faster. Then take the tin foil off and then put your cheese on top and heat that up. And so let's cut this open. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Let's see how good that looks inside. And let's give it all a taste because, oh my God, Mexican food is my favorite in the whole world, next to Italian. But so let's give the refried beans a try. Of course, they've been sitting here for a minute while I was waiting to do my video, but of course your cheese would be nice and hot and melty. And get a dip of things. And it's okay to mix all this in together. Let me get some rice. Okay. Now, whoops, let's try this burrito. Look at that. Is this making you guys' mouth water? Because it's making mine water and I haven't even taken the bite yet. I mean, and I'm about to take the bite. Holy Jesus. So much flavor, so delicious. Give these a try, you guys. I'm at 960 subscribers, 61 maybe. So I need less than 30 subscribers. So if you like this video, share it. Give me a like. Don't forget to get in on the giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway. Go watch my giveaway video, the video before this one. And it's a grocery haul giveaway video. Not giving away groceries, but it's a grocery haul. But it's part of the video, the giveaway video. And all you have to do is come over to my Facebook group, What's Mama Cooking For Us. Click the like button and, you know, and then be a subscriber on my channel. And comment below either this video or that video. And you're in for the running. I'm just giving away, you know, a couple of small gifts to my viewers to show my appreciation. It's going to be kitchen items, so hopefully you're kitchen foodies. But anyway, and I always have a nice glass of ice cold water to go with your delicious dinner. And I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you try it. Make up a whole bunch of burritos because you can see all the stuff I got ready. I'm going to make up some. And you can put filling in here too. You can put jalapenos inside. You can put tomatoes inside. And then, like I said, I usually take all mine, put all those toppings right on top. And dip, 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 mix. And oh my God, so good. So, all right, you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Show me love below. And stay tuned for more because I got a lot more coming. Bye, guys.